What happens with the production of iPhone 9? China is one of the most important markets for Apple. Apple has nothing to do with what is happening. About the budget iPhone, she was not told a word. There was not a single hint that this could be true. Everything that we know about is obtained either by analysts from Taiwan who publish closed and undisclosed information from serious companies and are still alive. Although these companies are hard to suspect in humanity or were invented by completely strangers to Apple. Anything can happen to the production, but, according to agents, preparation for the production of iPhone 9 began last year. The phone itself was still tested, flaws were identified and corrected in it. But with most of its design, everything was already approved. Especially since the most difficult for Apple, design changes, were not in the plans. Outbreaks associated with the outbreak were predictable. Foxconn could not take this into account. Why is Apple worth releasing the iPhone SE 2 right now? Problems with the shortage of individual components are quite possible. From 30 to 40% of personnel work on assembly lines. Measures against the spread of the infection interfere with normal operation. But the ordered 15 million pieces, which were being prepared for production ahead of time, or at least the first part of this batch, may well be in time by April 3rd. I repeat once again, how in reality things are known in the leadership of China, Foxconn, and Apple. And even if analysts have access to some part of this information, they will not disclose it. Do we need an Apple presentation? No, Apple has not gone crazy. In this case, they would have become like everything that could not have been overlooked. And the Trump administration has nothing to do with it. A survey on the topic "Do Apple hold the March event or limit itself to press releases" is being conducted right now by my colleague Alexander Bogdanov. From any IP address you can vote only once. There are 4 possible answers. Those who voted against everyone are asked, without insisting on anything, to report the answer they think is right in the comments. I like the particular opinion of one of the respondents. What needs to be explained to the public, such as 3-dimensional sensors or AirTag, must be intelligibly presented from the scene. For everything that is clear without it, for the same iPhone 9, absolutely enough press releases. Despite some oddities of the survey, in essence it is the same as polls in our country. Regardless of the voting results, Apple will act as it sees fit.